channel. My name is Urvi, as you all know, and these are the two people who are always here. So very recently, we all know Justin Bieber announced his tour in India and he's gonna come here. Just days after that, or I guess on the same day, the list of his demands was released on the internet, and it is dreadful because it is yay big, and we are all Bieber haters. Say what you may, we don't care.
We don't like him.
But here, I'm holding this because the list is here and we're gonna read
The
it.
list is huge, we can't memorize it basically.
Yeah, so let's get into it. And yeah, so he asked for a Rolls Royce, first of all.
Yeah, I'll do try.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's
That's
only for him.
Good.
That's fine.
He will reportedly be carrying 10 containers along with him, which will have basic requirements for the backstage. For backstage, okay? Ping pong table. तू गाना गाने वाला है या बैकस्टेज गेम खेलने वाला?
गेम खेलने आया तो इंडिया?
A PlayStation.
Yeah, गेम खेलना है.
But background में
गेम खेलने आया इंडिया?
Normally people are like nervous when they are background like backstage में खड़े रहते थे. At least I was. So.
तो but you have a concert for 1 hour. 1 घंटे के लिए तेरा concert है. तेरे को
PlayStation चाहिए, ping pong table चाहिए.
PlayStation चाहिए. तू खेलने क्या वाला है वो decide कर.
मतलब तू दिन भर खेलेगा और 1 घंटा गाना गाएगा.
गाना कब गाएगा वो decide कर.
His next demand is a sofa set. भाई हम लोग चटाई पे नहीं सुलाने वाले.
कोई ना background होते हैं sofas, chairs.
Sofas मिलेगा, recliner मिलेगा, सब मिलेगा.
Exactly. You don't need to
Specifically mention you want a sofa set.
That's a set. Wow.
If you mention a specific brand, it's fine.
Number 5 on this basic requirement list, which he will be carrying, is a washing machine.
Yeah, कपड़े धोगा. खुद के कपड़े धोगा. गाना खत्म होगा बीच में जाएगा शर्ट निकालेगा और कपड़े धोगा बैठ के वहाँ पे.
No him.
फिर इनका साबुन क्यों नहीं मांगा साले?
Refrigerator. So cool.
Refrigerator is fine. But
Massage table.
I think he does like somersaults or something on this table. That's why he needs a massage table, I guess.
But गाने के बीच में कहाँ पे मसाज लेने जाएगा? I don't get it.
He won't perform for the whole
He can
night.
get a massage when he goes back to his hotel.
Yeah.
He's Justin Bieber.
The whole night.
Bibia.
मसाज.
Bieber, yeah.
ये तक केरला गए.
Suits from Kerala.
He has also requested for a jacuzzi. That he will be needing behind the stage.
You want a massage table.
जकूजी.
तुझको
Suits from Kerala.
PlayStation चाहिए, तुझको
Jacuzzi.
पिंग पोंग चाहिए, तुझको वार्डरोब चाहिए, तुझको सोफा चाहिए. जकूजी किधर रखेगा तू? स्टेज वो ऑडिटोरियम से बड़ा, उसका तो बैक स्टेज होगा. इतना सारा amenities.
People should like put the fucking PlayStation in the jacuzzi. They are like, खेल अभी.
I guess his entire stage backstage combined will like take over somewhere
Half of the
80% of DY Patil Stadium.
Not 80%.
हाँ,
50%.
इतना पब्लिक तो जाएगा नहीं. 20% बहुत हो जाएगा उन लोग के.
76,000 per ticket. Yeah. Right. Your
Okay.
songs.
Here are other demands from him. Fresh flowers, no lilies. You're flowerist. Flowerist. Scented candles. Okay, that is a good demand, but then hotels already provide that.
Yeah.
So shut the fuck up.
Don't ask for it.
Coconut water, almond milk, strawberry and vanilla protein powder, glass door refrigerator. I guess he just doesn't want the suspense, opening the fridge and being like,
इंडिया में इतना खाना है?
oh
मालूम ही नहीं था.
नहीं, उसको बाहर से ही देखना है.
इतना कौन सोचता है? Like go ऊपर जाओ. Decaffeinated herbal teas, raw organic honey, strawberry and vanilla protein powder. You can
प्रोटीन पाउडर क्यों चाहिए तेरे को? तू है ही इतना सा.
protein powder.
I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. Clothing shelf, जैसे कि तेरे होटल रूम में कबर्ड ही नहीं है, उसको शेल्फ लगा के चाहिए.
He thinks we'll leave it. अब उसको open ground में सुना.
वही ना, what's wrong with you?
How does he think about Indians? Like, we don't stay in fucking.
Dude,
We don't keep our-
Slumdog Millionaire is like 30% of India, okay? Nobody
Exactly.
is that poor.
No one keeps their clothes on floors यहाँ पे.
Exactly.
Everyone has
सबके पास cupboard है.
Everyone has cupboard and
हाँ.
fucking shelves. Okay.
I know, right? 8 power outlets.
8 power outlets ज़्यादा रहेंगे तो problem है तेरे को.
ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए.
What if it's 9? What if it's like 8 and then one of just the 2
The
ones?
receptionist,
Then
the receptionist must be like, sir हम लोग के पास ज़्यादा है. नहीं मेरे को एक ही चाहिए. मेरे को नहीं चलेगा. 9 रहेगा तो मेरा पूरा वास्तु बिगड़ता है.
12 white handkerchiefs. Just 12 And why?
Langut.
24 still water bottles.
ओके हम लोग पानी नहीं देने वाले तेरे
वही ना. 24 alkaline water bottles. I don't know what the fuck is this shit, but water is
मतलब
water.
मतलब you will be having only 48 bottles of water.
तेरे को ज्यादा लगे ना तेरे को
देंगे नहीं हम लोग.
You said 24.
और you are getting only 24. नल को हाथ लगाया तो देख.
उसको आधा तो नहाने के लिए छेड़ेगा
Yes, because
जकूजी में डालेगा उसको
Yes, because
You
Indians
did
still
not
jump in that
mention.
shit.
You didn't mention for what you need the water. So you will be having your bath, drinking water in those 48 bottles.
Yes.
खत्म.
On
Six.
4 energy drinks.
हाँ, वो ठीक
बस
है।
4.
एक दिन के लिए एक
You look like you need a
He
lot
is
more.
trying to control his addiction.
Oh my god. 6 cream sodas. He's drinking protein, then drinking cream soda.
Yeah, what? Justin Bieber, what exactly were you high on when you demanded all this?
I know, right? Like as if यहाँ पे मिलता ही नहीं, उसको वो चाहिए ही. मैं फोन नहीं करेगा, मुझको दिखना
Do
चाहिए.
one thing, you perform in Canada and give a live telecast over here. We will be happy.
Yeah, don't come here.
76,000.
हाँ, वही ना यार. 76,000 में पूरा event हो जाएगा यहाँ पे.
Fridge packed with assorted juices and fizzy drinks, which is fine. We already give it to you, so you don't need to write.
You know, half of your demands will be already
Said
provided
it to
you.
you.
An expert masseuse from Kerala. Why,
Yeah,
बाबा?
you already said
मुंबई का नहीं चलेगा. 100 hangers. 4 दिन के लिए 100 hangers क्यों चाहिए इसको?
Hang yourself.
No, but seriously.
But हम लोग के wardrobe में hangers होते हैं.
वही ना, we provide it to you. There's like 20 of it. There is nothing as yoga basket. Okay, it's just something white people have made up. Over here, it's just called a basket. Then essential oils, that is jasmine, mocha, rose, and camphor incense sticks.
You mean agarbatti? Coming to his crew now.
They will be rewarded with the following luxuries: spray tan salon.
What is
There's a
that?
spray tan salon over here. You get tan over there. See,
free tan.
Indians are naturally tan.
We don't need.
We
fucking
don't
time.
need to pay money for our
You
water.
need
You need to
you
just
want to
stand
get
in-
tan,
stand in-
get out
and
of the
stand
No,
hotel.
no, no. You know what?
An hour in the road.
If they get tan now, how we get dark now, they get burnt because their skin doesn't have enough of that chemical, whatever it's called.
Sushi restaurant.
Sushi,
बाकी का
steakhouse, Italian restaurant, shopping mall. We have shopping malls here. You don't need to carry
specific.
it.
Why specific? I have to mention fucker.
Shopping mall.
I know, right?
76,000
Italian
का
restaurant.
ticket
We
क्यों
have got
रखा है?
Italian. We have got Chinese. We have got all kinds of restaurants in Mumbai.
No, he only wants Italian and steakhouse.
Movie theater.
But the
Do
thing
you
is,
know you are coming
but
to
the
India?
thing is, he fucking thinks that we are so garib that we don't have all these things.
He's not
And
carrying this with him. He's saying that his
He wants all of it.
all of these things, okay?
हाँ.
But then why is he fucking pricing his tickets at 76,000? Acha, now his plans.
His itinerary.
His plans.
Lavish dining experience on day 1
Okay.
with silver coated thalis by royal butlers. Traditional gold and silver coated thalis
Butlers.
is fine.
Butlers
हम
from Rajasthan.
राजस्थान से क्यों चाहिए इसको? अच्छा, सीक्रेट टूर में.
आज ही.
Second day.
Day second.
गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया का doesn't he know काला घोड़ा में फेस्टिवल वो सिर्फ उतना 1 वीक के लिए होता है, बाद में it's just a street जहाँ पे पार्किंग चालू होता है. It's just a street, there is nothing else, it's just a street.
वहाँ पे you will get to see a काला घोड़ा in literal senses.
Yeah.
3 floors of the hotel that are exclusively reserved for him and which are decorated as his personal villa. See, if you want everything to look like your house, stay at your house.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't come here and fucking let us.
Yeah, and
listen to your
everything
songs.
should be he
If you don't
demands.
come to India, I promise I will listen to one of your songs.
What?
No,
But that's
no,
fine.
I don't.
He'll come to India.
I don't care. I'm not.
See,
going
he's
to
still
his
going to
concert.
come to India
I'm not
just
going to his
there,
concert
sir.
anyways.
But I just don't get it. Like you're coming to a hotel. People come to a hotel to live somewhere else. Then you like your villa so much, stay at home.
Yeah.
Okay, he has stated that he will not compromise on a single demand.
Because he's a spoiled brat. That's what
See,
he is.
like we get it. Like you are a big pop star, you have
And
fans.
he has actually asked his organizers to block an elevator just for himself.
And an elevator which is like in the entire hotel just for him for security reasons.
कोई
See,
नहीं
the
मारेगा
most that's going to happen to you is you'll get
कोई
sick.
नहीं मारेगा brother को. नहीं मारेंगे एक्चुअली तेरे को मारेंगे एक्चुअली तेरे को
You need security.
you need security point taken
What is the comment?
Born Gandu or just pretending to be one.
Yo,
Yes.
bro.
this was one of the
Be
comments
gay,
of the
kilo
first
pinchon.
Nationals be like, why Bieber when we have Arijit Singh?
ah
Arijit
He's
Singh
such
is
a
way
piece
better.
of shit. Then
I wanna talk to his fans like what do they think about this stuff
yeah. See, if you are his fan, we are not sorry. We hate him.
we hate him we
You let
we
us know
don't
in the
care.
comments.
Hate him.
Wait, you let us know in the comments if there is anything that he has said is justified. See, whatever is fine, we whatever is justified for us, we said okay because
See, basically,
those are
whatever is
not
justified in his demands, that is already provided in
yeah
hotels.
Exactly.
we fucking
Matlab,
provide
all-
refrigerators
And fucking is
clothes
complimentary.
and fucking hangers like
Yes,
why
you
why
don't
do
need
you
to-
why do
And
you
most of the
provide
things are
that?
complimentary given.
yeah
मतलब तो फ्री में बाद में उठा के लेके भी जा सकते हैं.
अगर तेरे पास तीन फ्लोर का विला बना रहा है तू तो उसमें 100 हैंगर्स नहीं रहेंगे
about
And
us.
please don't give a justification just because he's a star. He
Yeah.
requires his.
See,
because
all
he's a
stars
star.
have
require.
things, okay?
and
And
we have stars we have big stars too no one does this
yeah.
no one goes to fucking US and tells them I need 100 hangers for my kapda
See, maybe like
Seriously?
this is common behavior for pop stars wherever they go, but no one's list is like this.
Coldplay didn't do this Coldplay came to India
See,
Michael Jackson came to India. He
he
never
didn't do
demanded.
this who is fucking Justin Bieber in front of Michael Jackson
There may be
fuck off man Fuck
there
off,
may
fuck
be
off.
such requests, but they might not be such outwardly, and he is already considered
Spoiled
as a dumb head. So maybe this is coming into light, or maybe there is something lost in translation. We don't know. We are reacting on what is here, and we feel that you are a piece of shit. You let us know in the comments whether we are right, whether you support us, whether you don't support us, whatever. Alright? And yeah, we hate you. We are not going to listen to any of your songs. They don't make sense. And yeah, until next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.